Okay, the bath is ready, the water is warm enough, so it's time to take this Laguna Moon box. Inside there are 6 different bath bomb and there are 6 different fragrances, but I think for the first time I will use orange for optimism. Okay, time to drop this bomb. What I really like is that it's hand wrapped. It looks like a chocolate. It's like I'm wrapping a chocolate. It's like a nice present for you. And it's 95 grams. You could split enough or use it the full bomb for this first part with the food. I'm going to use it the full bath bomb. It's made with natural essential oils and mineral sea salts, and all the colors are natural. There are some green here beads. They look like so crystal. So let's make the magic start. Got this lovely. I'll show you better. It's like that, and it's swirling. Don't know if I can see that. This is what I like about bomb bombs. It's like becoming really a child again. The smell is really natural. It's like squeezed orange. It's really refreshing and energizing, kind of relaxing as well. And the water seems so soothing. Doesn't take too long to dissolve. Look at this. Honestly, it's really fun. I don't remember last time I had a bath with a bath bomb, but probably next time I will have chocolate. Come here. So I can feel the water being really soothing and gentle with this really thin foam. It's really nice. So it's time to relax. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to see more videos like this, like quick reviews. In the meantime, I enjoy this tiny plant swirling in my bath. Thank you.